Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Precious John and I am so happy to have you. Today I'm going to be reviewing this tripod stand that I got from Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So guys, I got this tripod stand because I like to make my own wigs and I got tired of doing it on just the foam head. It's a little bit stressful. Sometimes I even have to use my ring light, put the foam head on my ring light, and it's not firm enough. So I decided to just get a tripod stand so it would be a lot easier for me to style my wigs and to make them as well. I saw this on Amazon. I checked the reviews and the reviews were good. I got this for I think £15. For me that's fair. So yeah, I expected it to come in a box bigger than this one. So when I saw this one I was quite surprised, like how small is it? I don't know. But then I remembered my ring light stand came in a box this size as well. So I'm thinking maybe it's going to be the same size with my ring light stand. I really do not know. So now I'm going to unbox this tripod stand. And if you're interested in buying this tripod stand or any tripod stand at all, I'm just going to leave the link in the description bar. So that's all. There's nothing else inside. Okay, so you guys, this is how it looks. This is how it was inside. I'm loving the bag that it came in. So it means you can always take this with you if you need to travel, and it comes with a set of instructions. Yeah. If you know a thing or two about making wigs and about the tripod stand, you will know that this is where the foam head always sits on. This is the instruction leaflet. To be able to open this fully, you turn this knob. It has two knobs, so you turn this one, releases the leg. I'm going to go ahead and make it longer. That's the highest it can go and it's sturdy enough.
Okay, so guys, to test the sturdiness of this wig stand, I'm going to be making a drawstring ponytail, and to do this I need my T-pins, I need my drawstring net, I need my wig combs, I need my needle. You can use a curved needle, but I'm using the straight needle. I also need my thread.
You know, you can also do this on a machine. The first thing you want to do is secure your drawstring net to your mannequin head like that. But this is the tricky part. You want to secure it upside down. This is the inner part of the drawstring, yeah? So when you want to start, this is the part that should be facing up. And the reason why you're doing this is because you're going to attach your wig combs to this part. So you're going to put it like this first, and when you're done attaching your wig comb, then you turn it over and then you start doing the wig. Capiche? There's an elastic band that goes around the drawstring. So when you're securing your wig comb, be careful not to sew onto that elastic band.
So when you're done attaching your wig comb to one end of the drawstring net, you want to repeat the same process for the opposite end, and then you turn the drawstring net over and start making your wig in circular motion. When doing the first line of your wig, always remember not to sew on the elastic band. If possible, take the hair up and check to see that you're not sewing on the elastic band, or you'll have to redo your wig.
For this part, when you get
here to the top of the wig comb, you want to sew onto the net only, so you have to be careful. You pick the net out away from the wig comb. The wig comb will remain what it is, but the net is stretchy, so it will pull away from it, and that's what you do. Okay, so guys, let me give you my honest opinion about this wig making tripod stand. So what I noticed and what I like about it is the fact that for the legs, you do not have to open it too much to give it its sturdiness. You don't have to make it too wide so it can fit in a very small space. So guys, before you start making your wig, you need to know the amount of hair that you have to work with, so you don't end up getting to the top of the wig and not having enough hair to complete it. So you have to calculate the amount that you need and how much space you need to leave in between so the hair can go around. And if you're not so sure about it, you can start with the little amount at the bottom. You leave a lot of spaces in between, and then get to the top. When you're done, then you just go back to the middle and you fill the spaces with the hair left. So guys, I finished sewing the wig all the way to the end, and I noticed that it had some spaces, so I'm just taking the leftover hair and adding that to the open space. And I also added some hair to the front of the drawstring ponytail. So this is the final look, guys. Right now I'm combing it out, and I'm going to add some water, add some hair mist, and that's that for a drawstring ponytail. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, please do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.